Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share honest information about fat loss and fitness. I am Bong, and previously I have done videos on weightlifting, weight training, and also with nutrition. So today I'm gonna do something which we call cooking. Well, this is a 3-recipe cookie. It's a banana oatmeal raisin cookie. It's very simple to make. I actually found this recipe on a YouTube channel called How to Cook Smarter, and I find it very interesting, so I went about and tried it out. There's only 3 ingredients. Raw oat. If you have steel cut oat, you can use it. And then I was using a local banana called berangan, and I was using raisin. According to the recipe, it says 1.5 cup of raw oats and 1/3 cups of raisins, but I think it was too little, so I add up to 1 cup of raisins. And well, I was using 3 bananas. Well, it was probably a medium range banana, but I think that I used too much. I put in too much raw oats. Before you blend it, well, just measure how much raw oats you want to put inside. And of course, in the future, probably I'm gonna do more of this recipe kind of videos. So yeah, enjoy the video. After a day of being chilled, well, it's chewy. It's not the crispy type, but it tastes nice. Well, you can add extra ingredients if you would like, but I'm just making something that I believe and I know what I put inside, and it is as healthy as possible. And if you have not subscribed, please like and share this recipe with all your friends, and remember to hit the subscription button and smash that notification bell. As always, I'll see you in the next video.